So today I show you how I make Parrot Toys. All the stuff I need. Key rings, heavy duty. Parts out of wood I already cut and drilled. There is my place where I work. Finished Parrot Toys. So there I made some, I drilled some coconuts for finches to nest in. Toys. This is something I have to do as long as it is dark. So very early morning. So I cannot work with the birds. All toys. Now here I get a whole pile. All toys. That is a lot of wood. It is a lot of chain and hundreds of key rings. Those boxes here, this is all already cut wood and pre-drilled. And when I put that in, remember from the videos before, with the macaws, a toy like that, 2-3 days. Same with the ringneck, mustache. A little tiny bit longer with the Amazons. A little longer with the African Greys. And the other ones are not that bad. For the smaller birds, I bought online some domino pieces, colored, so I drilled them. They're way smaller. I'm not a big fan of the colored stuff, but it is not poison paint. Then also a spacer. I use wooden balls. Let's lift that up. Alright, see. There's always something to do. Thanks for watching my videos.